Welcome to Adventures AG. For the people who have checked out my channel, welcome back, and for the people who haven't, thanks for checking it out. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make chili chicken using an air fryer. There are two major steps. The first one is to cook the chicken, and the second is to make the gravy. Let's begin with the chicken. To prepare the chicken, you will need 4 chicken breasts cut into small pieces, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and half a cup of cornstarch. So I already have my chicken into a small bowl. Now let's add all the ingredients. That was the soy sauce. This is the salt and the cornstarch. Now let us mix. You can also use your hands if you like. It's way easier. Make sure you have your air fryer ready now, and you're going to start by spraying it with some cooking spray. And then you want to start by taking anything that you want to put the chicken into the air fryer. Make sure you do small amounts at a time. You just want enough chicken to cover up the bottom of the air fryer. Make sure you don't fill it up with too much chicken or some of it won't be fried. Now, let's put the chicken into the air fryer. Turn it on and press start. You want the time to be 10 minutes and you want the temperature to be 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And then just let it fry. Step number 2, making the gravy. You will need onions, some green bell peppers, both cut into small squares. Then you will need some scallions and cilantro. You will also need some green chilies and garlic. To make the gravy, let's start by warming up our pan or pot, and we're going to use some hot chili oil. Now, you can get this oil from any Asian store. Let's start by pouring it into the pot. And we're going to let that cook for a little. Now we're going to saute the garlic. So now I'm noticing that it's time to add in the onions. Move that around. So we're cooking up the onions, the garlic, into the oil. And now we're going to add in the scallions. Make sure you keep half of your scallions to garnish at the end. Remember, this is all for the gravy, and part of this is for the flavor that you will taste. And now it's time to add the green bell peppers. And we're going to let all of this cook nice and crisp. some of our green chilies. Make sure it's at the end. So here we have all the veggies getting cooked up. And now I'm going to add in my air fried chicken. I added some soy sauce. And I'm going to add some chili chicken powder or seasoning. And now let's mix this up. And now a spoon of salt. Chicken is almost done. You can have it dry, or if you're eating it with rice, you can add some cornstarch and water mixed together. This will make some gravy. Now we're going to be adding some cilantro. Now I'm just garnishing it with some scallions. You can eat it with rice. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like your chili chicken. Yum!